battery. Got a low battery. I didn't know it. Let me see if I can get you plugged in here. I think you're there. There's supposed to be one here. Supposed to be. We got one, a mini. Hold on. And that's, let me run to the other car. Don't go away. Got it. Don't. I thought I put the phone, of course, you know how that is. Put it on the charger. I'll have to move this up on this thing here a little bit. Slow connection. I hope I turned the mobile date on. If not, I'll have to do exactly like I did last night. And there, it's working a little better. So let's turn you around here. I'm still in the front yard. Come on, baby. You can see the, no, don't push it twice. It'll do its thing all in good time. A lot of heavy clouds, and somewhat of a shelf cloud. Here we got the rain. It's coming right now. But we're set up for some possible hail. Let me get turned around and get my belt on. Adam called me from the board office. He said, we got a storm coming. I said, have you looked at it? I said, no. He said, I've been working on video all day. And so I went and looked out the window. I said, yeah, that's quite a cloud. So I checked with Channel 7, and they do have some hail cones up. I didn't click on any of them. I don't think it's large hail. I don't know how tall this thunderstorm is. But it did have a gust front with it. Let me make sure I get out here safely. See anybody. Yeah, the rain's coming right now. How do you turn on the wipers? There we go. Two cars, I always get confused. Okay, we're getting a little bit of air. The blower acts up in this thing. I think we can live with that, barely, but it's going to be better than the air. I think we're still on the air, so... okay, here comes the rain. Now, I think it's going to be pretty much a repeat. I was hoping to get more of yesterday. I was hoping to get more footage of the clouds at the edge. Okay, yeah, I'll try to get turned here. Some interesting formations over here. I had that momentous look to them, which can indicate severe type weather or storm, but not completely. Have to get down over the hill to probably get a shot of it. So I hope it holds together that long. Moderate rain. My rain gauge only showed 0.65, so I'm not sure what happened there. Oh yeah, we got a false funnel hanging. Hold on. I'm assuming that's what it is. Probably be getting phone calls from people. I think we can see it here. Get past this stand here. Cornfields are so tall now, if you pull in anywhere, you can't really see out. Let me get down here to the road. I don't know how long it's going to hold together. Yeah, it's kind of broken up. Yeah, right there by that tree. Let me get my glasses on. I've got somebody coming in behind me. I got to pull out. I'm going to just go on the back. Yeah, it's pretty well dissolved, but it looked like a funnel. Yeah, it's still kind of there. I think we'll go on over to the place next to the house, see if we can get another look. I don't think it's going to hold together. Rainfall's only moderate so far. I'm pretty sure it'll get heavier. And telecast only called for a light amount. But again, that's you can't predict localized accumulation very easily. That was one cool cloud. And there's just kind of a little bit of it hanging there now. I probably mentioned in the past, lots of times scud will hang down and some of it would get kind of pointy on the end and people think it's a tornado. But I am going to watch that scud if I can get a good picture of it just to see if it's rotating, if I get stopped. I didn't get any reading on the gust front when it came through, I don't think. That's why I was looking for my phone cord. So, I'd say it was probably 30, 35. It looks like heavier rain to the north. I'll try to park over at the plant and see what kind of view I can get. You can kind of see down the valley.